Hey guys, got another unusual specialty tool for you. This is the Performance Tool Wire Insertion Tool. When we take a look at just the tip, you'll see it's hollow and it has a pointy bit. This is intended for feeding wires through firewall grommets on cars. If you're installing a radio or auxiliary lighting, a lot of times they give you a grommet to pass wires through, but there's no hole in it. So if we imagine this thing is a firewall grommet on a car, I can take this tool, poke it right through. Oh, don't stab yourself. And now we've made a hole in the grommet. But we don't want to pull out just yet. Just leave it in there, because this tool has a bonus hole at the other end. Now we just take our wire and go in from the rear, and the wire will come out the other end, which would be in the cab of the vehicle. Then we can go inside the cab and just pull through however much wire we need. Now we can pull out, and then yank the rest of the wire through the tool on the engine bay side. So now we've got the right length of wire in the cab and in the engine bay. This works way better than the old method of just stab the grommet with a utility knife. It's never easy to feed that wire through that little cut. It always gets bent. And forget about feeding a wire through if the end has already been stripped. With this tool, it maintains a nice wide opening for you to feed the wire through. It has about a 1/4 inch opening. It'll take up to 10 gauge wire. 8 gauge would probably be pushing it. It's going to depend on the thickness of the insulation. You can also do multiple insertion with this, if that's your thing, as long as the wires are small enough to fit. It's a little tricky, but it can be done. These tools run about $12 on Amazon, so they're pretty cheap. I did find a set by Lyle for $30, which gives you 2 different size tools. I think it'd be nice to have a set of these with different size holes. I'm halfway tempted to try and make my own for smaller gauge wire by sharpening the tip on a stainless steel straw and then sticking it into an old screwdriver or file handle. Maybe I'll do that in a future video. If you're doing any kind of automotive electrical work, I'd go ahead and pick one of these up. It's going to make feeding wire much easier. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more unusual tools. See you later. Bye.